In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on all notifications on Trello, a comprehensive Trello tutorial that will ensure you never miss an update on your boards again. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. You'll find the website straightforward and user-friendly, ready to get you started. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate the Login button. It's typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Give that button a click and it will prompt you to access your account. Now you've got a couple of convenient options to log in. You can either use your Trello email credentials or opt to log in with your Google account. Pick whichever method suits you best and get yourself logged in. After successfully signing into your account, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the upper part of the interface where you should see an option labeled Boards. Click on it and this will take you to a page that displays all your boards in one convenient location. Now look for the Your Workspaces section. Clicking on this will help you navigate through different projects and teams you may be working with. The next step would be to go to My Trello board. In this section you should see all of your current boards. Choose the one you're interested in managing notifications for. Once you're on the board that you want to manage, locate your account icon or avatar, usually on the top right of the screen. Give it a click and a drop down menu should appear. From this drop down, select Settings. This is where all the magic happens. Within the Settings menu, focus on the section dedicated to email notifications. Here Trello gives you a few customization options. You can decide how frequently you receive email notifications, whether that's never, periodically, or instantly upon changes or updates on your boards. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead and select instantly. By doing this, you ensure that anytime there's a new update to your boards, an email will let you know right away. Now, if you prefer not to receive emails every time something occurs on your boards, you have the flexibility to choose none. Or you might want to be more selective with your email notifications. Trello provides you with the capability to choose only the notifications that are most relevant to you so you're kept informed without being overwhelmed. This customization option empowers you to tailor your notification experience precisely to your needs. There you have it, a detailed walkthrough on setting up notifications on your Trello account. Adapting your settings will keep you updated effectively and efficiently, enhancing your productivity and collaboration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to apply these settings so you're always in the loop with Trello.